We're in Ross Jones's 233 Classic formula. It's basically a wave breaker and transom model, which to me is the classic and traditional design, and just oozes toughness. I love the hardtops, love the pods, but in this configuration, mate, the best word to describe this boat is just tough, and I'm sure Ross is going to love it. As you can see, it running through the water is just seamless, the way the hull just cuts through. Thoroughbred racing lines, as you can see, and yeah, I just love them myself, and I really believe it's the ultimate 7-metre boat on the water. Ross and Kate, congratulations, you've got a beautiful boat. You've put in a lot of effort in putting this package together. From everyone at Edencraft, we'd just like to say congratulations and enjoy the summer days.